Antarctica's icy landscape is home to a diverse array of wildlife, from penguins and seals to whales and birds. This video explores the unique adaptations these creatures have made to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Have you ever wondered how penguins survive in the freezing cold of Antarctica? They're not just cute and cuddly, they're masters of adaptation, with unique features that allow them to thrive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of Antarctic wildlife and their remarkable abilities. Subscribe to continue watching our videos. Did you know that Antarctica is home to a mind-boggling variety of wildlife, from colossal whales to tiny seabirds? This icy continent is a haven for unique creatures with incredible adaptations. Discover the secrets of their survival in this video as we delve into the fascinating world of Antarctic biodiversity. Imagine a world of towering icebergs, shimmering glaciers, and crystal clear waters. This is Antarctica, a breathtaking landscape teeming with incredible wildlife. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning beauty of this icy paradise and the incredible creatures that call it home. Antarctica's landscape is characterized by a thick ice sheet covering most of the continent, making it the highest, driest, windiest, and coldest continent. Temperatures can plummet to negative 89.2 degrees Celsius or negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit in the interior and remain frigid even during the brief summer, with coastal areas experiencing a maximum of 59 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold, coupled with low precipitation, classifies Antarctica as a polar desert. The continent is covered by an ice sheet averaging 2,450 meters thick, with an average altitude of 2,300 meters, significantly higher than other continents. The interior experiences average temperatures of negative 71 degrees Fahrenheit, while coastal regions are warmer, averaging around 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest recorded temperature on Earth, negative 89.2 degrees Celsius, negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, was recorded in Antarctica. Despite the ice, Antarctica is a desert due to its low precipitation, averaging less than 6.5 inches annually, with even less inland. The continent is known for its high winds, particularly along the coasts, due to topographic factors and katabatic winds. The Antarctic Peninsula, extending into the Southern Ocean, experiences more precipitation than inland areas due to its lower altitude and influence from the ocean. Climate change poses a significant threat, with some areas experiencing ice retreat and ice shelf collapse. Antarctica boasts a unique and diverse range of wildlife, with a notable presence of penguins, seals, whales, and seabirds. While the continent has no native land mammals, its marine ecosystem is rich with life adapted to the cold, harsh environment. Antarctica is home to several penguin species, including the iconic emperor and Adelie penguins, which are true Antarctic residents. Other species like chinstrap, gentoo, and macaroni penguins also inhabit the region, particularly on the Antarctic Peninsula. Several seal species thrive in Antarctic waters, including the leopard seal, known for its hunting prowess, and the elephant seal, recognized by its large size. The Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica is a feeding ground for various whale species, including the magnificent blue whale and the curious Antarctic minke whale. Seabirds like the snow petrel also inhabit the region, adding to the rich biodiversity. Penguins, seals, and whales are iconic examples of Antarctic wildlife thriving in the harsh environment through unique adaptations. Penguins, like the emperor penguin, huddle together for warmth, while seals, like the Weddell seal, are expert divers with thick blubber for insulation. Whales, such as the humpback whale, migrate to the Southern Ocean for feeding and breeding. Penguins have waterproof feathers and a layer of blubber to retain heat in the frigid Antarctic waters. Emperor penguins huddle together to share warmth during the harsh winter, a behavior that can raise the temperature inside the huddle by up to 40 degrees Celsius. Most penguin species build nests on ice-free areas like rocky coastlines, while emperor penguins breed on sea ice. Penguins primarily feed on krill, fish, and squid, with some species, like the emperor penguin, diving to significant depths to hunt. Penguins are known for their waddling gait, their ability to toboggan on ice, and their characteristic dives into the water. Weddell seals are capable divers, reaching depths of over 600 meters and holding their breath for up to 45 minutes. Their thick blubber layer provides insulation in the icy waters. Weddell seals use their sharp teeth to maintain breathing holes in the ice, allowing them to access the surface for air. Many whale species migrate to the Southern Ocean during the summer months for feeding, drawn by the abundance of krill. The Southern Ocean is a crucial habitat and feeding ground for 80 to 90% of the world's whale species. The Southern Hemisphere humpback whale is a migratory species, aggregating in the Antarctic waters during the summer for feeding and then migrating to warmer waters for breeding. Antarctic penguins exhibit a remarkable breeding cycle, characterized by long migrations to nesting sites, elaborate courtship rituals, and shared parental care in harsh conditions. Emperor penguins, in particular, undertake a dramatic winter breeding process, with males incubating eggs on their feet for months while enduring extreme cold and starvation. Penguins travel long distances, sometimes hundreds of miles, to reach their breeding colonies, often on sea ice or fast ice. Emperor penguins, for example, migrate to specific breeding locations, often on flat, stable sea ice near the coast. Penguins engage in elaborate courtship rituals, including vocalizations and displays to attract mates. Nesting sites vary by species, with some building nests from stones or pebbles, while others use simple scrapes in the ground. Emperor penguins don't build nests. The males incubate the single egg on their feet under a brood pouch. Both parents typically share incubation duties, but in some species, like emperor penguins, the male takes the primary role during the harsh winter. Incubation periods vary, but can last for several weeks or months, depending on the species. During incubation, penguins endure extreme cold, strong winds, and periods of fasting. Penguin chicks stay in the colony, sometimes forming crushes, proops, for protection until they are able to fend for themselves. Chicks develop rapidly and eventually fledge, leaving the colony to forage at sea. Penguins are known for their strong pair bonds and cooperative breeding behaviors. Both parents participate in raising the chicks, taking turns hunting for food and brooding the young. Penguin colonies are often highly organized, with individuals working together to protect their young and survive in harsh conditions. Emperor penguins penguins huddle together in large colonies for warmth and protection against the harsh Antarctic winter. They navigate icy terrain by waddling or tobogganing, sliding on their bellies, and feed their chicks by regurgitating food they've caught at sea. Emperor penguins huddle to conserve heat and protect themselves from wind and extreme cold, especially during the breeding season. Huddles are dynamic, with penguins shifting positions in a wave-like motion to ensure everyone gets a turn in the warmer, central part of the group. The huddle's movement is triggered by individual penguins taking small steps, which then propagates through the group. This coordinated shuffling allows the penguins to share the harsh conditions and maintain a relatively stable temperature within the huddle, even when outside temperatures are extremely low. On flat ice, penguins often use tobogganing, sliding on their bellies and using their feet and flippers for propulsion and steering. On slopes, they waddle, their slow pace being compensated by their ability to withstand the cold and stay in place while waiting for prey. Both parents participate in feeding their chicks. They forage in the ocean, catching fish, squid, and krill. Upon returning to the colony, they regurgitate the food to feed their chick. Chicks form crushes, groups, for warmth and protection, while still relying on their parents for food. Adults recognize their chicks by their unique calls. Climate change is causing significant impacts on Antarctica, including rising temperatures, melting ice sheets, and changes in ocean currents. These changes are not only affecting the Antarctic environment, but also contributing to global sea level rise and impacting marine ecosystems. The Antarctic Peninsula is experiencing some of the most rapid warming on Earth, with temperatures increasing by up to 3 degrees Celsius in some areas. This warming is leading to the melting of ice shelves and glaciers, contributing to sea level rise. Increased temperatures are also impacting the Antarctic ecosystem, affecting wildlife like penguins and krill. The Antarctic ice sheet is losing mass at an alarming rate, with significant ice loss observed in both West and East Antarctica. This ice loss is primarily due to the melting of ice shelves and glaciers, which are directly exposed to warmer ocean waters. The melting of the Antarctic ice sheet is a major contributor to global sea level rise. The West Antarctic ice sheet is particularly vulnerable due to its location at lower elevations and its interaction with warmer ocean currents. Melting ice in Antarctica is introducing large amounts of fresh water into the Southern Ocean, which is affecting the density and salinity of the water. This change in water properties is impacting the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, ACC, the strongest ocean current on Earth. Some studies suggest that the ACC may be slowing down due to the influx of fresh water, which could have far-reaching consequences for global climate patterns. The ACC plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by distributing heat and nutrients around the globe. Melting ice sheets and thermal expansion of water are causing global sea levels to rise, threatening coastal communities worldwide and other species that rely on specific conditions. The loss of sea ice, changes in food availability, and altered breeding grounds are negatively affecting penguin populations and other Antarctic wildlife. The melting of ice shelves and glaciers can destabilize the ice sheet, leading to faster ice loss and greater sea level rise. Changes in the ACC could affect global weather patterns and ocean circulation, potentially leading to more extreme weather events.